Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by friend brother Kamabanu Pumaguphi.
Kamabanu Msenja. Ngiphuma lapha ePuspa Chris. Emariti. Steve. Ngijabule kakhulu.
Ujabule kakhulu?
Ngijabule kakhulu.
Why?
Nethi kusukela endlini kusifuna ukutobukela iKaizer Chiefs nethi ngayithola idraw la CS Galaxy.
Yeah.
CS Galaxy ngifuna iphume la PSL.
Yeah.
Sifuna ukubukela ibhola lana.
Yeah.
La eMpumalanga la.
Ngibamba bhuti wami.
Mara ngisimina iChiefs ngiyithatha league.
Chiefs ngeke ithathe league.
Awungiboni.
Izothathani iChiefs?
Ayikho kuyaplay uTorre season le.
Nenetbank.
Nenetbank ayikho.
ICAF.
Yo, ikhefu. Ngeke wena 6 point. 6 point ngeke benayo.
Ine 1 point umuntu.
Ino 1 nithi bantu bazama ukugula la khona. Ngoba sikorile basibaye cross ibhola yasuluma.
Angeke ifike ku 6 points iChiefs.
Angeke, ngiyayala. Ukhefu.
Ngeke.
Angeke. Nasituyakutshela ngeke kufile manje kufile buswahla
Angeke uSilver Kore.
mina support iOrlando Pirates Steve Bawutshela Steve itolo let's cup ngiyale season sithathe 2 M10 8 Black Label
Utheni that's why utheni umbule kule interview yakho utheni uthi ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu
abolamthuthu basazakhuluma kakhulu babona ileague yadwa ethathu washo kanjani ileague umbala striker sabe wasembe sona Silva
Iguadala.
Polo. Steve.
Asibonge bhuti. Usilver khona
Triple polo.
Erokobo just thank you.
Ngiyabona.
Sha. Oh, yefake khosi yende nuwe. Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.